Hello, in today's video we will show you how to add a second hard drive to an HP NV17 laptop. This is a SATA 2.5-inch hard drive which we're going to be adding. So first thing we want to do is shut the laptop down and turn it over. So we're just going to put like a little foam insert in here, that way we don't scratch the bottom or the top of the laptop. So after we shut the laptop down, just remove the battery. And this will expose a screw, which holds the cover in place. So we're just going to loosen that screw and pull the cover out. So the cover is held in by tabs on the side. So as you pull it out, you're going to hear some popping. So let's just put this cover aside. So over here we have your main hard drive. It's at a 2.5-inch hard drive, and we also have here the second drive bay, and here's the connector to the second drive. So we're gonna need, first of all, a rails or a caddy to hold the hard drive in place, and a cable similar to the primary hard drive, but this is shorter. See, over here you're gonna see the primary hard drive has a cable going all the way to connector 1, and we're gonna have another one going to connector 2 over here. So let's zoom into the second drive bay to get a better look in the install. So first of all, we have our hard drive, which is going to be going in here, and we have our rubber rails. So just insert the rubber rails to the side of the hard drive, and you could also use a SATA 2.5-inch SSD. Now this is the connector we're going to be using, to install into the second drive bay or second drive bay connector. So to make installation easier, there's a wire here, which is a wire to your battery backup for the clock, or also known as the CMOS battery. So we'll just unplug it for now to make it easier. And you're gonna see there's a little, let's just move that here. There's a little door over the connector, connector 1, 2. So we just lifted that connector over there. If you can see that, there's the door, and we're just lifting it. And we're just going to insert the connector onto that, or the cable onto that connector. Then once it's inserted properly, just close the door, and that's it for the connector side. So you just need to push the hard drive now. Now it's a bit snug, that way it doesn't move around. If ever you need to pull out the drive again, you just pull on the rubber rails and to pull it out. So now that we're done installing the drive, we just want to plug back in this connector to the battery for the clock. And you may need to reset your clock since we removed the battery. Now that your two hard drives are installed, all you have to do now is reverse the process of putting the cover back in. And as I mentioned earlier, there are tabs on the side, so that's what makes it lock in place. So as you push down, you're going to hear some popping. Now that's flush, so we just have to tighten this screw and replace the battery. Installation complete.